Hello friends, I am Manoj Zade from Akut. Today in active and passive voice we are going to learn the passive construction of simple past tense. So how to make the passive voice of simple past tense? Very easy. This is the construction how to make the passive voice of simple past tense. While writing the answer, we always use object in passive voice. Object, then was or were, V3, by and S2. Now the question arises, when do we use was and when do we use were? The answer is very easy. When the subject is singular, we use was. I repeat it. When the subject is singular, we use was, and when the subject is plural we use were. Very easy. So the construction of passive construction of simple past tense is like this: object, was, were, V3, by and S2. S2 means accusative or objective case of the subject. We know it very well. I, me, we, us, they, them, you, it, he, him. Like this, we make the accusative or objective cases of the subjects. So, this is the first sentence. She wrote essay on the burning topic. I would like to tell you how to identify the object. To identify the object, it is must for us to ask the question either with what or whom to the verb. Here, she wrote essay. What did she write? I repeat it. What did she write? What answer we get here? What did she write? She wrote essay. So we got essay. This is object, and we call it. This is object number 1. Again, here are some words on the burning topic. On the burning topic, this is object number 2. I would like to tell you object number 2, it should be written after V3 or at the end of the sentence. I repeat it. Object number 2, it should be written after V3 or at the end of the sentence. So, first we will write the answer of this sentence. She wrote essay on the topic. Which is the object? Essay. This is object. After object, out of was were, we will write one to be formed. Essay, this is singular, so we will write here was. Essay was. Then V3, write, wrote, written. Essay was written. Now object number 2, it should be written after V3 or at the end of the sentence. We will write over here. Essay was written on the burning topic by her. Very easy. Object was V3, object number 2 by and S2. Like this we can make the passive construction of simple past tense. Second sentence is here, students solve every test in class. Very easy. Students solve every test in class. How to identify object number 1 and object number 2? I have already made it very clear for you. We ask the question with what to the verb. What did students solve? What did students solve? We get the answer every test. This is object number 1. And in the class, this is object number 2. So, at first, we have to write object. Which is the object? Every test. Plus was were. This is singular. That's why we will write here was. Every day's object was. Then V3 solved. Object number 2 in the class by students. It should be as it is. We don't make the accusative case of students, so it should be as it is. Third sentence, my father earned a lot of money. My father earned a lot of money. What did my father earn? What did my father earn? What answer we get here? We get the answer, a lot of money. So this is object. My father, subject, earn, this is verb. At first we have to take object. The object is a lot of money. A lot of money. This is, money is always singular. So we will use here, a lot of money was. V3 on. Now by. And subject is here. My father, it should be as it is. By my father. Next sentence is, mother looked after us lovingly. Mother looked after us lovingly. When the persons are there, we ask the question with whom. So we will ask question here with whom. Whom did mother look after? The answer we get us. So us, this is object number 1, and lovingly object number 2. Mother, subject, looked after, this is verb. This is phrase, this is one word, looked after. So us will convert here we. Us will convert here in we. We, object, now was verb. It is plural, we is plural, so we verb. Then V3, look after. Look after. Object number 2, it should be written after V3. We were looked after lovingly by mother. Very easy. Next, the man broke his promises many times. Here, the man, subject, broke, verb, his promises, object number 1. Many times, object number 2. How to identify object number 1? Ask the question with what to the verb. What did the man break? What did the man break? What answer we get here? We get the answer his promises. So object, his promises. His promises. This is plural. Object plus was verb. Verb. His promises were. V3, break, broke, broken. His promises were broken many times by the man. So, in this way, we make the passive construction of simple past tense. Very easy. Object was verb. V3, by and S2. I hope and I am sure you all must have understood it very properly. So let's stop over here. Thank you very much.